this unique celebration to honor grandparents and make the students realize your importance in their lives. In this modern world, the trend of the nuclear families is on the rise, and the importance of the joint family system is drifting away. Bringing grandparents to the school and showing the children that you are an integral part of their lives is the motive behind this program. The school strives to inculcate values among children so that they become caring and responsible citizens of tomorrow. To become a good grandparent can be the best feelings in the world. There is a special bond that grandparents share with their grandchildren, and it grows stronger with time if nurtured carefully. You are the greatest treasure of the family.
To the management and staff of the Rosary School, my fellow grandparents, ladies and gentlemen, this is an unexpected honor for me when Head Mrs. Mata, teacher as she was then, requested me to say a few words. I have come unprepared because she told me at the last minute. So I will be speaking straight from the heart, which maybe is a good thing. My association with the Rosary School began 28 years ago in the year 1991, when my wife and I had to make a decision which school to put our son, Malcolm, in. At that time, there were two obvious choices, Shada Mandir, Don Bosco's. There was a new school which had started by Mrs. Rosario, which we heard about, called the Rosary School. We did our homework and were told different things by different people. For one, that it was a new school, only small listening section, I think. It was scattered in many places. We went and met Rosario. We met her daughter Charmaine, who was the principal, and teacher Martha was there at that time. And my wife and I somehow had a good feeling about it, and we enrolled Malcolm in the Rosary School. We have never regretted that decision, because Malcolm has turned out to be a fine young man who's doing very well in life. Because whatever anybody may tell you, a school, the role of a school is only to build a well-rounded personality and to make people good human beings, which is what the Rosary School does. Don't believe all these things about high ranks and distinctions and marks, because it doesn't help you in real life.
The best thing a grandchild can have is a grandparent who gets down on the floor and plays with them.
The simplest toy, one which even the youngest child can operate, is called a grandchild.